Hello besties, welcome and welcome back. So obviously from the thumbnail, I am doing this glam look. So if you guys are interested in this look, then just keep watching because I'm going to show you how I did this. So I have already done my foundation and my concealer. Eyebrows are already done too because same thing, same products, e.l.f. I am a hardcore e.l.f. cosmetic girl, okay? So that's already done. Eyebrows done, Morphe, same what I've been using now for about way too long. I know this looks crazy, but I'm gonna show you what for, technique or whatever that I do now that I have changed up a little bit. So, okay. e.l.f. It is the cream bronzer. You can see which one I use the most, clearly that one. So I have some concealer on my nose and then obviously the bronzer too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my beauty blender and I'm just going to, blend that out. Let's see if I can do this. My mirror is sitting right here, so this is why this is a weird angle. Clean it up. All right, see, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to bronze the rest of my face. Alright, so I know it looks super crazy right now, but I'm going to show you exactly what I do. What I have been doing as of lately. Going to use another brush. I'm just going to blend all of that together. See, now it doesn't look so crazy, now does it? And then I will just take the beauty blender and just tap over it. Just to get rid of any harsh lines, if there are any. Make it look a little more seamless. See? Just like that. Now what I'm gonna do is I didn't powder yet, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And then what I will do with the powder is I will make a straight line right here and on the other side, just like that. And then I will leave that there for a little bit. I'm going to do highlighter. Alright, I will use a fluffy brush and just buff the lines away. Setting spray, and as always, e.l.f. Seriously. Love this cup. It says Mama Bat on it. It's from a really cute, small Instagram shop. Krypton Coffins is what it's called. She has cute stuff. I have so many cups. I have 2 phone cases. I have, what else do I have from there? A keychain and some shirts. So I'm going to be using 2 of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. These 2, oh my god. My favorite freaking eyeshadow palettes literally ever. These are so good. Definitely recommend them. Both of them. I want to get more, but so far this is just what I have. I'm trying to think what colors I want to do first. Alright, so I'm going to use the Sorceress palette first. I'm going to go in with Hocus, which is this pretty purple color. I'm going to use that one first. Look at this brush. I need to glue it. I need to glue it back on. It's not, I might have to use a different brush, honestly, because that's not staying. Okay. Seriously, love this palette so much. Really good freaking palette. I will put the link for this palette down below if it's still available. There. That one is done. I know I want lots of pinks and purples, so. Alright, so I think I'm also going to use the Lisa Frank eyeshadow palette by Morphe. Yeah, because there's some peachy pinks in here that I think I want to use. Alright, so now I'm going to use Rainbow Chaser, which is that one. It's a really pretty pale pink color. Okay, I am liking this so far. I haven't done these colors yet, but like I'm really liking it so far. Okay, so now I want to use maybe a darker color on the outside. So I'm gonna put that away. So I'm gonna be using the Vampirism palette. I'm going in and using the shade Pulse. So I'm not bringing that shade up any higher. I just want it to stay like in the corner and then in the crease. And then I'm gonna buff it out. Okay, so we're gonna buff this out quick. There is nothing like experimenting, like winging it for like a video. Usually I have my makeup planned out, but not today. And honestly, I'm liking it. Going in with the shade Undead right here. I'm sticking it right on my eyelid itself, like this. Now it's time for my liquid eyeliner. All right, so this I'm gonna do off camera. All right, and there is the liner. All right, so now it's time for mascara and false lashes. A little curl. All right, so my damn camera decided to overheat, so I had to turn it off for a little bit, but I did my mascara and my lashes. So now we're gonna use some liner for down on the bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna put, I don't know if I can do this on camera, put it there too. Alright, so I didn't put any eyeshadow on the bottom only because I didn't want there to be any. So now I'm just gonna put mascara on the bottom lashes, and this is a challenge because my bottom lashes literally are non-existent. I say that's good enough because I know as soon as I walk outside, I'm gonna have mascara running down my freaking face anyway because it's so cold outside. Alright, so now it's lips. This I did a few weekends ago. Alright, so I'm going to line my lips with red lip liner. Now that I have that, I am going to use the pinkest lipstick that I have. I'm gonna go here and here. And voila! Just a cute little Valentine's Day glam. I don't know, I like it for just doing this on a whim, winging it, literally like my eyeliner. But yeah. Ooh. Oh, hold on. I forgot something. I forgot something. There, even though I struggled for like 5 minutes. You know, my eyeshadow actually matches my shirt. Alright, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I have to make sure that I don't have lipstick or anything on my teeth because that would be a complete nightmare. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And if there's any other looks that you guys want me to do, please just let me know. I love doing makeup. It is so much fun. I might do another one, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. And I hope to see you guys again in my next video. As always, I hope you guys have a wonderful freaking day. And I will see you guys again very soon. I just wanna make you smile.